Carlton has gone through much transformation in its time. It had become known for its abundance in slum pockets, whose conditions worsened over time. This eventually led to their demolition, and were replaced with vertical structures. And just like that, Carlton had a new scenery. Today, this is what stands at the intersection of Leicester and Pelham Street. A remembrance of what once was there. In its first life, it was known as the Corkman Irish Pub, a meeting place for many. However, not even this could avoid its erasure. It became the next target in the eyes of Calais, who did not hesitate to proceed with his next project. A stoic appearance whilst hiding its deterioration inside. Both possessions and house were neglected, and the building began to crumble as quickly as it was conceived. This brings us to the Museum of Carlton. Pieces of the ruin held together with metal stitches. It resurfaces the neglected and buried, and are then showcased in the exhibition. Doors and glass panels were resurrected from the Corkman Pub. The building does not stay still, but it is in a constant state of regeneration. A restoration of the past. At the core, its materiality is kept pure. However, there is a constant exchange between the stages of its life. Some walls decaying, whilst others have been applied with a fresh coat of paint. However, the cracks in the wall retell its story. Whilst you visit, leave a trinket or two behind. A middle ground will be formed between past and present.